Hi guys, it's the Red Pill Auntie here with another video, and I have a question. I'm trying to understand the new slang. It's been a while. I know they change up the words, yet it means the same as it did back in the day, right? Okay, so my word for today is tricking, right? My understanding is, now correct me if I'm wrong, I'm just trying to get clarification. Tricking is when a man spends a lot of money on a woman, correct? Okay, so the women tell the men it ain't tricking if you got it, right? Well, why don't y'all tell the women it ain't tricking if you got it? Because the thing is, you asking men for money, and when they refuse you, and then you call them broke and you call them dusty, but yet you're the one asking for money. I don't understand. Why are they broke and dusty, but you're the one asking for money? Why do you believe that this man or any man should work and pay for your expenses, your services, fees, or whatever you choose to charge for on a first date, early dating, whatever the case may be, dating period, and you want wife treatment? That's crazy. Y'all want wife treatment on dates, first dates, getting to know dates. You want wife treatment. You want to be flown out, taken to different spots and nice restaurants, and you want them to get your hair and your nails done so you can go out with them. That's crazy. It's the entitlement for me. Where'd y'all get this foolishness? Who started this madness? Who started this madness? Let me tell you something. I get my hair and my nails done. I was doing it before I met my man, and I've been doing it since we've been together. I don't require him to get my nails done, my hair done. I don't require him to do none of my maintenance. I take care of me. Now, there are times when he will bless me. He will, baby, here, I'm going to get you. I say, okay, baby, thank you. It's not a requirement for me. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. He's my man. He's not my father. I'm a big girl. I'll take care of me. I don't need a man to give me money and take care of me and do this and do that. I don't. But I'm grateful to have one that will. Oh, I'm grateful to have one that will. But again, it's not a requirement. It's different if the man is doing it because he chooses to, because he feels that value in you. That's different. But when you come up with a requirement when you first meet, that's where the disconnect is. It's the entitlement thing that's the issue for the men, and it's for women. What makes you think that that's their duty is to just throw money at you? Half of y'all don't even qualify for what you're asking for. And that's the painful part. And the pain in that is that you believe that you do qualify for that type of treatment. That is the painful part. That's the truth. And I believe that if more women were honest with each other, a lot of this delusion will cease. I won't say it will go away completely, but I do believe it will cease if we start being honest with each other. Now, you got this thing called the sisterhood, but it's not what it's supposed to be. A real sisterhood is when women are honest with each other. They're caring. They're kind to each other. They're supportive to each other. A real sisterhood, not this foolishness that's been invented out of from feminism or whatever the case may be. A real sisterhood is when we got each other's back genuinely. It's not fake. It's not phony. It's real. It's true, and it's from the heart, not from the pocket, not for what that female can do or what you can accomplish with that female. I'm speaking on the friend level at this point now. Don't take it nowhere else. I'm speaking on a friend level. When you got, it's okay to support your friend. I want everybody to win. I want my friends to win. I want everybody to win. But real sisterhood, real sisterhood allows for that. But this sister code, this girl code, and all that, I don't have time for that. I don't even want to go into it. I just don't have time for it. But my thing is, I believe a lot of the delusion will stop if women would start being honest with each other. And these men, I don't like to use the word simps, but I have to. And if these simps would stop simping on these women, that is where the problem is, too. These women believe they're this, these women believe they're that because the men have told them so. And now their head's so big, you can't tell them anything different. And a lot of times these women are not what they think they are. They have this inflated sense of value. The sense of value. They have this inflated sense of appearance. Like they believe they're one thing when they're really not. I'm not throwing shade. I am throwing truth. I'm so sorry. And I'm going to be honest with you. It would be the same if it was for me. And listen, I listen. Y'all can rate me however y'all want to, but at the end of the day, I don't need validation. I don't. I've never needed validation. Now, if I get it, it's great. Thank you. I'm grateful for it. I don't have the big head or anything like that. But I just feel like a lot of the delusion that these women are experiencing are because of the lies that are being told to them. And yeah, it's everybody's fault. And I think everybody needs to come together and just start telling the truth to people. Yeah, it may hurt, but it's just deliver real soft if you have to. It just depends. But I'm just saying, if we just start telling the truth, and being real with each other, a lot of things will cease. Clarity will come about, accountability, all that good stuff. It's included. But we just gotta just own it. And just own it, accept it, and deal with it. Whether it be better, stay where you are, or whatever. But the delusion gotta stop, y'all. It's gotta stop. And I'm just here, just trying to shed a little light, trying to get some understanding, clarification on some things, and then and just talking to y'all. I enjoy talking to y'all. But yeah, I was just trying to get some understanding and throw a little information out there, a little something out there for y'all. But until my next video, guys, thank you for all of your support. And it is your red pill auntie signing off. Bye.